Hello everyone, my name is Shreya and welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who wants to improve your life, strengthen your mindset, and learn powerful lessons through deep self growth content and audiobook style summaries, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we don't just talk about success, we talk about mental strength, emotional power, and becoming unstoppable from within. And today's topic is something that can completely change your life: how ignoring people can make you powerful. Let's begin. The power of your attention. One of the most valuable things you possess is not money, not talent, not even time. It is your attention. When where your attention goes, your energy flows. When you react to every comment, every insult, every opinion, you are giving your power away. But when you choose what deserves your reaction, you take control of your life. Power begins the moment you stop reacting unnecessarily. Ignoring is not weakness, it is strength. Many people think ignoring someone means you are hurt, you are scared, you have lost. But the truth is very different. Weak people react instantly, strong people pause. Ignoring negativity shows emotional maturity, self respect, confidence. You don't need to attend every argument you are invited to. Sometimes the strongest response is no response. The psychology behind ignoring. Human beings crave attention. Even negative attentions feeds ego. When someone insults you, provokes you, or tries to bring you down, they are often seeking a reaction. When you react, they feel powerful. When you ignore, they feel invisible. And nothing hurts the ego more than being ignored. Silence creates psychological pressure, and that silence is your strength. Ignoring negativity to grow faster. Think about this. How much time do we waste overthinking what someone said, trying to prove ourselves, defending our image? Successful people ignore gossip, unnecessary criticism, drama, meaningless arguments. Instead, they focus on skill building, discipline, goals, long term success. When you ignore distractions, your focus becomes sharp, and focus creates success. Healthy ignoring versus ego ignoring. Now understand something very important. Ignoring should not be used to avoid responsibility, escape communication, hurt someone intentionally. Healthy ignoring means ignoring disrespect, ignoring manipulation, ignoring negativity, ignoring people who don't value you. It is about protecting your peace, not feeding your ego. Silence is a powerful response. Silence says, I know my worth. I don't need to explain myself. I refuse to lower my standards. When you argue, you give importance. When you stay calm, you show confidence. A lion does not turn around when a dog barks. Remember that. Emotional detachment creates inner power. Most people suffer because they depend on validation, approval, constant attention. But the moment you stop depending on others for emotional security, you become free. Detachment does not mean you don't care. It means your happiness is not controlled by someone else's behavior. This is real power. Why ignoring builds respect? Ironically, when you stop chasing people, they start valuing you. Your presence becomes rare. Your words carry more weight. Scarcity creates value. If you are always available, always explaining, always reacting, people take you for granted. Power people, Powerful people are selective with their energy. Practical steps to become powerful by ignoring. Here are simple steps you can apply today. Pause before reacting. Ask yourself, is this worth my energy? Stop defending yourself unnecessarily. Reduce exposure to negativity on social media. Focus more on self improvement than on people's opinions. Build confidence so you don't seek validation. When you are busy building your future, you don't have time for drama, right? Final conclusion. At the end of the day, real power is not loud, it is calm, it is controlled, it is emotionally independent. The most dangerous person in the room is not the one shouting, it is the one who cannot be disturbed. When you master the art of ignoring what does not serve you, you become mentally strong, emotionally stable, and practically unstoppable. So from today, choose peace over proving, choose growth over gossip, choose silence over unnecessary reaction, because the person who controls their reactions controls their life. If this message helped you, you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful life changing content. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.